What do Social Security hearings consist of? Typically, you'll have the judge, thank us for coming. He'll ask a series of background questions like your name, your age, your height, your weight, your address, education. Have you been drawing unemployment? Have you been in jail? Do you smoke? Do you do illegal drugs? Then he'll hand it off to me, and I'll elicit direct testimony from you. I'll essentially get you to list your ailments, and we'll go back through each ailment and talk about the symptoms associated with each, how they manifest themselves, how they present themselves, and then we'll talk about how all these ailments combine at the end to reduce what they call your residual functional capacity to below sedentary, meaning that you can't sit there at a desk and answer a phone even for 8 hours a day, stand or sit for 8 hours a day, combination. And then there's a vocational expert at the end who will respond to some hypothetical questions about a person, your age, education, and past work experience, whether or not they're subjected to particular restrictions, if they'd be able to return to your past work or other work. So it's the judge's questions, my questions, vocational experts' questions. These hearings are private, which is real nice. A lot of the subject matter is very private, very personal. It's nothing at all like you see on TV. I always say it's you watch Law and Order or Matlock, it's completely different than that. It's a private hearing. There's no gallery of spectators sitting there listening to your business. Everybody who's involved is professional, so you're not going to have people laughing at you or making jokes about you or anything like that. It's not put on video. It is recorded though, and it usually lasts maybe an hour or so, depending upon how many diagnoses we need to go through. But it goes quick, and like I say, whenever we are involved, I'll prepare you for it so that you won't walk into it not knowing what's going to happen. That fear of the unknown, I think, weighs heavily upon people, and so the most I can do to alleviate that, we do.